Okay, nice to meet you again. Once again, this is B Caprice. This is my YouTube channel. I thank you for watching my videos. So please, you at least be watching my videos. Please subscribe. So that brought for another product. I want to take you through how to make a report card using Microsoft Excel. So for me, simply I will use my mark sheet which I have. I have marks containing this folder which I have highlighted here. This one. I click in it. Yeah, I'm teaching you. I'm going to take you through how the simple steps to make a report card. As it's loading, I'm seeing it's kind of loading slowly. I don't know why. That's gonna come. Yeah. So I'm going to teach you how the few steps you can do to get and the formula you can go through how to make a report card. Let's begin. I have the sample of these learners. They have 4 subjects they did. So I want to begin with the total. How to get total? Total is simple. You go to a function. You go to the method which is formula which is sum. Open bracket. I'll highlight the cells I'm using. It will be B2 to E2. I close my bracket. Sorry, there was some here. It was supposed to be B2. It is 2. I close my bracket. I enter. This is the total of this learner. I highlight. I come here and pull this down. It is copying and pasting for all of them respectively. So I come to average. How do you get average? Average simply I use equal sign. Average. Open bracket. Average. Which cells am I going to consider? Still, I'm going to consider the same cells. B2 to E2. I close my bracket. Enter. So this is my average. I come and I highlight. That's my average. It's to 1 decimal place. I can further reduce it to 0 decimal places by just coming here. It is to 0 decimal place, or I leave it there at 1 decimal place, which is okay. Now, how do I get my position? Position I use what we call rank. Rank. Open bracket. Open bracket. I'm going to use the total. Total, which is F. The cell F2, comma. Here now I use dollar sign. Dollar sign. Dollar sign F. Dollar sign 2. Sorry. Dollar sign F2. Yeah. Comma. Sorry. I go this. Again, my another cell. I'm going to go up to dollar sign. Sorry. Dollar sign F. Dollar sign 6. Yeah. So as you see, this is what I'm going to use. So I'll come. I add here. I want to begin from in ascending order. So I'll put my 0. I close my bracket and then I finally enter. So that's my position. As you can see, the best is on having the highest marks. So as you can see, that's what I have done. So let's come to what we call the comments. Comments, I want to comment whether it is a pass or a fail. For this case, I want to see whether it is a pass or a fail for this learner, or it's either, if a pass, of course you have to be promoted to another class. If it's a fail, you have to repeat. So I'll just come to my equal sign. I say if are you seeing it? If I open bracket, I will say I'm going to use the cell of total marks. As you can see, total marks, which is F still. I will use total marks. I won't use average. Let me use total marks, which is F2. Let me say for this case F2 greater than, if the total marks, someone, if I want to, for example, I want to say any learner who has got above 100, let me say 200, 230, I can say, let me say 250 or 240. Let me say 250 is a pass, and those below it is a fail. So I'll just come and say above 240. Let me say 50. 250, comma. I want to say it's a pass. So I just come here, I open my full quotations, as you can see. My full quotations, as you can see. Those are them. Shift, I say pass. Full quotation again. I say comma. Sorry. I put a comma. Again I say full quotations, fail, full quotations, and then I close my bracket. So that is it. As you can see, I have decided for that case, so I enter. So you see, for this person will be a fail because this person has been below 250 marks. So I just come and highlight this one from here up to here. So you see, I've commented for these learners. Those who have got below 50, they have 250, they have failed. Meanwhile, those who have got marks, total marks above 250, they have passed. As you can see, the passes, they are here. So those are the simple steps how you can make a report card using Excel. As simple as that. So I beg you members, please watch my videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. We meet again, members.